Hello, everybody. Let's talk about my trading style to trade the futures markets and the way I teach you guys how to do this. I think it's quite a unique approach. Well, we are rule-based discretionary traders, and we are looking for very specific visual price action patterns based on a clear set of rules. Now, we're trading the trend, and we're very flexible with our symbol list and the selection of timeframes to trade. So here on the right side, you see the symbol list. Just an example, right? And here on the other side, on the x-axis, we see the timeframes. Now this spans a matrix. In each of these intersections is a potential visual price action pattern to trade. This gives a lot of opportunities. So we're looking for very specific low-risk idea. That's what we are specialized on. Low-risk ideas of visual price action patterns in this vast trading universe. We're looking at clean charts. We are not trading indicators. We're looking at patterns and price action. A pattern is a footprint on a chart, and it's very clearly identifiable, and it has its own personality. This is the nice thing. Now let's see, what are the fundamental differences between other traders? How do other traders typically trade? So they trade the ninja trading style. So they can go long and short at any time with any given symbol. They focus on one symbol and one time frame. So it could, for example, be the ES on a 5-minute chart, or it could be gold on a 15-minute chart. So they believe that becoming an expert on a symbol and the time frame is the way forward. I have a different opinion, right? I think we should be flexible with symbols and with time frames, and then we specialize on the pattern. Now, if you don't do that, well, the ninja trading style results in a very intuitive trading style, because looking at the ES chart of a 5-minute time frame, well, you don't get patterns coming up a lot, right? So you actually want to be flexible, long and short, and you want to have a selection of many systems and have a very intuitive trading style. Otherwise, you don't get the opportunities, right? The number of trades. What we are looking for an established trend in the higher time frame. So that's the very first thing. And then we're looking for a visual price action pattern, basically 1 or 2 time frames lower. Well, this is a very specific requirement, right? So this is why we have this trade universe. Making a metaphor here, it's like the ocean, right? We're looking for 3 fish. So these are the 3 fish in the big ocean. We're kind of putting out the fishing rods. And whenever a pattern comes up that is of high quality, well, that's what we do, right? We get 700 trade opportunities, more or less, at any given time. So how could that look like? Well, it could look like, for example, that there's a system 1 pattern in gold of the 15-minute chart long. At the same time, we've got a crude oil pattern, system 2 short on a 1-minute chart, and we might have here in the copper future HG, we might have an S3 sniper pattern long on a 60-minute chart. So this is basically how our trading approach looks like.